everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for always tuning in. Today we're going to make a very simple theme. It's a new year theme. Yes, 2020 new year theme. Bomb Anno Novo. So for this design we'll be needing water balloons, metallic number balloons, 32 pieces of 12-inch balloons. So we have 16 balloons inflated into 15 full pumps each, and another 16 pieces of balloon inflated with 30 full pumps each, which formed the quadruples. And then we inflated the metallic balloons. So now we have the balloons that are inflated into 30 full pumps to form the base, and then using the water balloon to create weight. And now we have the balloons, the 15 pumped sized balloon, using the string to put it in place. Now it's being held firmly. And now placing the metallic balloon and using the string to secure it in place. It's very, very simple, but unique and beautiful. This process is repeated in 4 places in order to be able to have a base for the 4 numbers, that is 2020, 2020. Yes, the new year is here. I'm so excited about this new year. I'm sure it's bringing forth great, wonderful, beautiful blessings our way. 2020. And that's it, everyone. That's the design. I love it. Let me know what you think. Please don't forget to subscribe. Leave your comments and let me know what you think.